Hey there, everyone. Andrew Lopez here with Partner Channel OC, coming right back at it again, and I have yet another, a wonderful, a lovely guest, Kate Santon. Thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
Absolute pleasure for having you. Quick shout out to 6 Degrees. You might have seen over the course of the show, I have a lot of guests from 6 Degrees, greatest organization, and we have our fearless leader of OC number 2, Kate Santon. So yeah, thank you so much. Again, shout out to 6 Degrees for making this happen, getting to know you, and let's get into it. So Kate, what is Santon General Counsel?
So Santon General Counsel is a law firm that provides outside general counsel services to small businesses, startups, and entrepreneurs. Outside general counsel services are services that involve partnering on an ongoing basis with my clients to protect them from the myriad legal issues that arise in a day-to-day basis at their companies. This is why my tagline is protecting your business from all sides so you can focus on growing it. My mission statement is to provide those legal services to my clients in a cost-effective manner, as efficiently as possible, creatively, and in a technologically savvy manner so that I can provide those services at affordable and predictable rates for my clients because they are small and growing and do not have a lot of capital. I founded the firm because I had started post-law school. I worked at a large law firm for 6 years, and I worked with huge companies and great lawyers. But what I was discovering was there were a lot of small businesses who really needed the legal help and who couldn't find it and couldn't find firms that focused on that client alone and could provide those services at affordable rates for those types of clients. The kinds of things that I do on a day-to-day basis for my clients involve drafting contracts for my clients, whether it's with their employees, contractors, vendors, joint venture partners, helping them start the business, form the business, negotiating among the founders, deciding whether to form a corporation or an LLC or what type of entity is the right fit for them, protecting their brand, helping them understand the intellectual property, helping them hire employees. And understand, navigate the complex legal environment that is employment law in California, and also helping them exit their companies if and when the time comes, should they want to retire or do something else. So.
Absolutely, and that's a huge, what you provide is huge. It's these small companies, there's a lot, especially here in Orange County, you have so many small startups, people that say, screw this, I'm gonna start my own company 20 years after it, and they need someone like you. There's a lot of moving parts to a new business, whether it's a small media company, whether it's a small law firm. There's a lot of moving parts, especially in the state of California, and you cover all of those.
Yeah, that's the point.
That's exactly why you did it. So I love it. So Kate, let me ask you, what matters in your business?
My clients are what matter to me. Their dreams. Small businesses are the backbone of the economy, and they're oftentimes the innovators and the creators, and they're trying to make the world a better place. And precisely what you just said, the legal environment and regulatory environment is so complex that those clients sometimes don't even get a chance to start or are paralyzed in the muck of all of the legal obligations that they have that they can't grow. And so for me, what matters in the practice is being able to help that client get past the difficulty of the legal environment and move forward to growing their business and achieving freedom.
Absolutely. And I love what you do, and you said it perfectly. And everyone's favorite question and why we tune into this show is, Kate, how do you value partnership in your business?
So, of course, I partner with my clients on an ongoing basis, right? And I view that as somewhat of a partnership in the sense that they need someone to kind of, watch over them and protect them. And I kind of view myself as a, mother bird in my nest with my client eggs that I am helping grow and protect and watching over. But also, I partner with a lot of service providers who serve those clients. Part of what I provide is being able to say, hey, you have a need in insurance or bookkeeping or CPA or estate planning or tech or your IT infrastructure. And I like to be able to connect my clients with the right people to help them with that particular need. And then also sort of in a long-term thought process is partnering with other lawyers who have a similar mentality to growing your practice and having a practice that number one, you can be happy in and have balance in, and have the work-life balance that a lot of lawyers don't really get, and operate a firm that's effective and efficient, so that we can charge rates and re-innovate the practice of law, so that clients are better served.
Absolutely. And you have a strong value partnership. It shows into our 6 Degrees group how you have everyone come together in the events that we have. So I appreciate so much. And last thing, who are you looking to connect with?
Well, small businesses, clearly, and service providers of small businesses, and anybody who has the same kind of mentality in terms of serving their clients. I would say service providers who value the one-on-one direct kind of relationship, and who value really getting to the meat of the problem for the client and solving that problem.
Perfect. Well, very last thing for us here, Kate, how can people get in touch with you?
My website, www.sgclegal.com, or you can email me, kate.santon, SANTON, @sgclegal.com.
Well, there you have it. And there's the story of Santon General Counsel. Kate, thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you. I
Absolute
really
pleasure
appreciate
having
it.
you. Do all the things you do. Please reach out, connect with us, like, comment, share, reach out to Kate, see how she can help you in your business, and also let us know how she can be of value to you.
Yes.
So thank you. I will cheers our
Excellent.
drinks here, and cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Awesome. That's it.
That's great.
Solid.